welcome back to the video. And today, this is going to be a tutorial for how to make your own Discord server. So you're going to click that, and then you're going to go to create my own, or whatever you want. It could be a group for your friends, or called a community or something. Now you're going to name the server. Now of course you can always upload a little cover photo, kind of like a profile picture. But I'm not going to do that right now. I just named my server random name. You can always change your server name, I believe. And you can also invite people, but we're going to look at a few settings. So that's where you can change your name, and you can see the inactive channels. But now we're going to create a role. And roles are pretty important because they decide what people in the server can and can't do. So I'm going to create an owner role. So you can color your roles whatever color you want, pretty much. And there's even a hex code, so if you want to get the hex code for one of your favorite colors and type it in, you can always do that. I'm going to display the owner role separately from normal roles. That means it will pop up above everyone else. And allowing anyone to mention the role means anyone can ping everyone in the role at any time. It's kind of like pinging everyone at once. Everyone who has that role. So it can be chaotic. That's why I'm not enabling it. I'm going to turn on every permission for owner because I'm the owner. And I want to be able to do stuff on the server. Now, I am making a little series out of this, and I'll be showing you what you can do to create a bit of a cool, nice community on Discord for your Discord server. But here we are, and now as you can see, I am owner. I can put my rank. But as you can see, there are 3 things Discord kind of wants you to do for a starting server, as you can see. But also, as you can see, I can type, and it does want you to send your first message. And if you delete your first message, it will like uncheck send your first message. So that's kind of weird. Anyway, emojis I'll be doing in another tutorial. And here are the moderation settings, which I'm going to put on none, but I can always change it later, which is good. I mean, I'd probably just put it on low if I were to change it. That's up to you guys. So these are the new stickers Discord added, and I believe they're only for Nitro, which is sad. I said emojis. I'll be doing a different tutorial for that. But anyway, if you click on your profile picture, the thing that has the letters on it, you can change it. And here's the audit log showing you everything that admins and stuff have done in your Discord server. So if you see anything suspicious there, and of course you can always delete your server. And this is a voiceover, so I'm sorry if it's a bit delayed or anything. But anyway, you can create a text channel. I'm going to name it Pokemon Stuff because this is going to be a Pokemon themed server. You don't have to make yours Pokemon themed. That's just what I'm doing. You can make yours any theme you want. It's Discord. Be free. But as you can see, I have free reign to all the emojis that don't require Nitro. And I can type whatever I want in this category. And you can also create a category in itself, categorizing stuff, making your server more organized, which is honestly a great feature that the Discord platform has added. And as you can see, I can drag Pokemon stuff down to the Pokemon category. So if I wanted to add a new thing called Pokemon fan art, where like people post fan art of Pokemon or something, or like custom Pokemon, they can. And that's just something I can do. Now, I can always change my nickname. That's how you do that. Or you could type /nick and then what you want to name yourself. So /nick, then press tab, and then type your nickname and hit enter. And then your nickname will be changed. But anyway, I'm going to create another role And this time I'll show you a bit different permissions. I'm sorry if you guys hear any background noise. I have my AC on, and my cat is here. So, anyway, it's good that Discord has this showing what it would look like in both black and white for people who have dark mode and for people who have light mode, so that you can both see what it looks like in dark mode and light mode, so it's not like crazy different for people, because colors can be weird sometimes, let's face it. But anyway, I'm going to turn on all permissions, and as you can see, manage members does not pop up because I already have a role, I think. I'm not exactly sure, but anyway, I am going to name the role. I'm going to name it manager, because you need a server manager. You don't need, but like, it's preferred. Like, lots of Discords have it. But anyway, there's one category I'm not going to be showing because it does have the server stuff. But anyway, it's just, this says, are you building a community, as you can see? And it's enable community. You need a lot of members to do it, but if you did it, it'd be pretty cool. And I saw Pokemon Go Paris, so yeah. This will show where your bans are and who's been banned and for what. This is all invites that have been created and all expired. And this is all the server members and all the roles they have. As you can see, I am currently the only one in the server. But anyway, guys, that is going to do it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry I haven't been uploading for like 2 days. I had stuff to do. Anyway, bye.